Welcome to the online classes of Amate English Medium School. Our today's topic is Standard 10, Chapter number 4, Effects of Electric Current. In that topic, we will study today an important subtopic, that is electric generator. So, we have already studied about Fleming's right hand, left hand thumb rules. We have also studied about electric motor. Today we are going to study about electric generator. The electric generator, the definition says that an electric generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It is basically a device that converts the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. In the electric motor, you have seen that the electrical energy is converted into the mechanical energy. It is just the reverse of the electric motor. Okay, here you have to rotate the armature coil in between the strong magnets, and you will have the production of the electric current for the domestic and the industrial purposes. So we will study today the basic types of electric generator. There are two types of electric generator, that is AC generator and DC generator. What is the full form of them now? AC means alternating current. AC alternating current generator and DC direct current generator. In our houses we are using AC current. Why? Because the frequency of AC current is very good and it is transferred through a long distances with the help of the electric cables. So that's why the electric department uses the AC current for the domestic and the industrial purposes as compared to the DC current, which has problems in that is the losses of the electric current. That is why DC current is not used in domestic purposes. It is basically used in very heavy industrial uses, that is where heavy machineries are used. Okay, so basically there are two types of currents. So we will discuss today the diagram of the AC generator. The construction shows that the armature coil, you can see the armature coil A, B, C and D. It is rotated in the clockwise manner between the two strong magnets. Okay, so here you can see the basics of this diagram. This is the north pole and south pole of the magnet. This is the armature coil A, B, C, D. These are the two rings that support the axle. This is called as the ring R1 and R2. This is the brush B1 and B2 that supplies the electric current to the circuit, and this is the outer circuit of the AC generator. You can see what is the basic difference between the AC generator and DC generator. This is of the rings R1 and R2. In alternating current, that is AC generator, the rings are one after the other and the current supply is alternating. Okay, in the DC generator the rings are in front of each other in this position. Okay, this is the galvanometer. The galvanometer shows the production of the electric current. It deflects continuously, showing that the current is producing in the alternating direction. So this is the basic circuit diagram of AC generator. So we will discuss the basic parts of the AC generator now. It has first part insulated copper wire. Second part magnet, that is of the north pole and south pole direction. Third one is the split ring. These are the two split rings are there. Okay, split rings means the ring having discontinuity. I'll show you the armature coil and the split ring in the demo mode. Next thing is axle. The axle is required. This is the axle. Why it is required? To transmit the power of the generator into the machine. This is the axle. Next one is the carbon brushes that supply the electrical contact to the generator, or that cover up the electrical contact of the generator to the outer devices. These are the carbon brushes. Next one is the galvanometer. Okay, this is the basic parts of the construction of the electric generator. Now we'll see what is the working of the electric generator. Point number 1, the axle. This axle is rotated in clockwise manner. This axle is rotated in the clockwise manner like this, and this AB part moves upward. AB moves upward and CD moves downward. As this AB part moves upward, this CD arm is going to move downward. Then what happens? According to right hand rule, electric current is produced, that is, it flows in the direction A to B to C to D. As the A to B current starts to move, what happens? The current starts to flow in this direction. A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A once again. Okay. Next, in the external circuit, current flows from B2 to B1 through the galvanometer. You can see the carbon brushes B2 and B1 over here. So the outer circuit, the current flows in this direction. Okay, from B2 to B1. After half rotation, arm CD starts to move upward. As the half rotation is completed, now the CD arm will going to move up and the AB arm will going to move down. So what happens? The direction of the current changes. So basically AC current is like this. This is the alternating, means upward downward type of current. This is called as the AC current. Okay. AB moves downward. Thus, after every half rotation of the coil, the current changes its direction. This is the basic fundamental of the AC generator. After every half rotation, the current going to change its direction. So, as if the CD is going to move up, the current will going to switch its direction. As it is moving from B2 to B1, now it is going to transfer from B1 to B2 in this direction. Means it will going to change the direction. And you can see the sinusoidal motion of the current, that is called as the AC current. Now I will going to show you how the armature coil moves in the magnet. This is the basic armature coil you can see. Okay, this is the armature coil which moves between the strong magnets. These are the rings R1 and R2, and this is the axle. Okay, this is the axle of the generator. So you can see over here, this is the movement of the generator or any motor. Okay. In this movement, the generator moves and the carbon brushes are contact with the first ring and the second ring. This is the R1 and this is the R2 ring. Then the carbon brushes are in contact to supply or to get the electric current from this circuit. Okay. This is the basic of the electric generator. In this manner, the electric generator moves. Okay. This is the armature coil. So today we have studied about the basics of the electric generator, the construction of the electric generator, the various parts of the electric generator, and the working of the electric generator. Kindly copy down the notes and thanks for watching.